Hey guys, Jerry here from Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Well, today I wanted to talk about hobbies that you might have in retirement. You know, I had a comment on one of my videos where I was talking about my retirement, and somebody commented, "Doesn't look like a very good retirement to me." Well, of course, to us it is. On our channel, you've seen us doing a lot, and a lot of it is work. You know, driving a tractor, getting a swimming pool ready, splitting firewood, uh, yard maintenance, having the raised garden beds, and even the greenhouse. We've got a lot going on in our retirement. But do I do anything that's fun? Well, yes, I do. There's one thing that I haven't showed anybody on this channel, even though years ago that's what my channel was about till I deleted all of that stuff off of there. So let me show you this. Well, yep, I am a guitar player and I play guitar. I do it for fun now. I have made a little money at it in the past playing in bands, but it turned out, as you get older, in my case anyway, not my friends, but in my case, it wasn't worth the little bit of money you'd get to give up a Friday or a Saturday night and then spend all day Sunday, licking your wounds, so to speak. But this guitar, I've had this thing since 1980. It is Electra Les Paul copy. The brand is Electra. And I've had this thing since 1980, and I don't even want to think about how long ago that was. But as I've gotten away from playing in bands and then getting back into writing some music and recording it downstairs where I play all the instruments, I've went back to this old thing because I've went back to a sound that I enjoy playing, which is hard rock. I'm a rock guitarist at heart. Even though rock isn't one of the big sounds right now, I do miss it. So yeah, I do things other than driving a tractor or splitting firewood. So this is one of the fun things I do. I'll give you a little taste of that in a minute, but check out the guitar. This thing is an Electra. See the logo there? They call that the peace sign logo. It's made in Japan, and I had somebody ask me about it not long back. Why don't you just get a Gibson? Get a real Les Paul. And I'm like, well, if I wanted one of those, I would go get it. But I don't. I've played Gibson Les Pauls, and they play great. I love them, but this one just kind of fits me. I've been playing it for a long time. I've had the guitar set up the way I like it, and so yeah. Jerry here and Mel too, we both do things that are different from just your standard fare of working around the cabin, splitting firewood. I have a lot of fun doing this, and it's sort of therapeutic. So yeah, this is going to be a short video, so check out what's coming up here. If you like what you see, hit the like button, hype our video for us, subscribe to our channel, and you're probably not going to see many, if any more, of me with my guitar, but I just wanted to show that we do things other than cutting firewood and tractors and things like that. In retirement years, there's going to be plenty of work. You don't realize it if you haven't retired yet, because you're in such a whirlwind of every day you're working on a job, you're driving to work back and forth, and then there's things at your home that have to get done, and you get to most of them. But then you'll also find there's a lot of stuff that you didn't get to, that you realize, hey, I need to fix this, or I need to do that, or you just have time to do other things. That's the beauty of being retired. So anyway, subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of one of the songs that I wrote and recorded. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Enjoy. Take care.